Have you thought about the possibility that sometimes silence presents itself as the wisest answer? In the vastness of human history, wisdom often lies in the preservation of certain secrets. The Buddha himself, a remarkable figure in enlightened history, teaches us that there are aspects of life that thrive best in privacy, not out of shame, but as a profound expression of wisdom and self-knowledge. Today, we will dive into the depths of these teachings, revealing the 7 things that an intelligent person chooses not to disclose. These surprising and potentially inspiring revelations can change the way you share certain aspects of your life. If you are ready to embark on this journey of self-discovery and want to deepen your understanding into millenary wisdoms that can transform your life perspective, sign up now on our channel and do not miss our inspiring content. In a quiet town at the foot of the Himalayan mountains, resided a young man named Aravind, recognized for his wisdom despite his youth. They often sought his advice on life. A group of curious young men, aware of rumors about 7 secrets guarded by Aravind, challenged him. His wise response, based on an ancient story from Buddha's time, stressed the importance of protecting each person's internal 7 jewels, aspects such as thoughts, feelings, hopes, dreams, pains, fears, and joys. The story highlights the wisdom of keeping some aspects of life as precious jewels, preserved in the heart to honor the true essence of each individual. Thus, Arvind's narrative not only underscores the power of privacy, but also emphasizes the respect and appreciation of our uniqueness. In a world where transparency is encouraged, history reminds us of the importance of keeping sacred some parts of our inner journey. It's not about hiding out of shame, but recognizing that not everything should